everyone, welcome to our live room. Today I will show you around our factory. Our factory located in Renqiu City, Hebei Province, 160 kilometers from Beijing Airport and 180 kilometers from Tianjin Port. Okay, this 8 size is our drum vulcanizer machine. This one is with 2 meter wide, and now we are producing rubber sheets. You can see our rubber sheet will be with film in the middle. Now we are producing, I think it's 2.5 MPa rubber sheet. You can see smooth surface, very smooth surface. This one is 2.5. You can see the edge. I think maybe it's 10 mm. Okay, this machine is producing round dot rubber sheet and green color fabric bottom. Let me show you clearly. Okay, see? The round dot pattern. This one is green rubber sheet with also plastic film in the middle. I think this one with density 1.8. Smooth surface. We have 9-size plate vulcanizer machine. Number 1, number 2 with 1.822 meter wide. Number 3 with 1.83 meter wide. And the number 4 is also with 1.22 meter wide. But the number 4 can make long run rubber sheet. Now we are making round up stable mites. This pattern is we designed for one of our customer. It is with 1.22 meter wide, 1.83 meter length, and the thickness is 25. See the hammer surface and the bottom, the rubber lock bottom. And the edge will be cut. Okay, this one is also plate vulcanizer machine. We use this machine to make the small model the rubber mat, usually 1 meter by 1 meter, and some other small model the rubber. Our worker will strictly control the quality of the rubber sheet. It's CR rubber sheet. We are checking the width, 1 meter. This one is NR rubber sheet. It's with both sides smooth, and our worker will strictly check the width, thickness, and the length of the rubber sheet, and then packing. Coil in the middle, and then plastic bag, and then the woven bag on the outside. Hello everyone, here is our warehouse, and all the finished production cargo will be stored here. And you can see we have many different packings. This one is orange color woven bag, and blue color woven bag. And our worker is busy with loading the container. Okay, here we storage the rubber sheet with pallet, and we make the pallet with different size to suit the container. You can see our packages is very professional to protect the cargo. Different color packages. Okay, now we are busy with loading the container now, and all these 2 containers will be delivered to South Africa. The cargo will be loosed in the container as customers' requirement.
Hello everyone, welcome again to our live room. A customer just asked to see our testing equipment room. Now let's take a look. All our testing machine is with gold touch bronze, which is accurate and advanced. Usually there is no such high-end equipment in domestic, generally used for inspection of tear. Our goods are strictly comply to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, REACH and RoHS. Okay, now there may customer ask whether the cargo would be inspected every time. Yes, of course. Each of our orders will be inspection before shipment, and each of our cargo is inspected with spot check rate of 5%. For example, we usually check the appearance, thickness, length, width, weight, color, and technical indicators. Okay, here I will introduce one by one. Okay, the first, DIN abrasion resistance tester. The abrasion resistance is assessed by measuring the abrasion loss after the specimen is rubbed against sandpaper. This one, multiviscometer. It is highly sensitive to changes in rubber materials and has a better repeatability and reproducibility. See the data? Now this one, Mullion die rheometer. The rheometer can simultaneously determine the viscosity, electricity, hysteresis loss, and the curing rate during the vulcanization process of the rubber compound. Important vulcanization characteristics such as torque, cure rate index, and curing time can be measured. Now this one, aging oven. This machine is used for testing the changes in characteristics of rubber before and after heating. This one is oil bath. Oil bath is designed for evaluating the effect of test liquids on rubber materials. It provides test temperature up to 300 degrees with constant temperature control. This one is density determination kit. It is used for testing density. This one is hardness tester. It is used for testing hardness. This one is tensile tester. It is used to test tension, compression, bend, shearing force, adhesion, peeling force, tear strength of specimen, semi-product, and finished product. Our inspector is inspect our rubber sheet. Hello everyone, this is Rita from Renqiu Aochen. Nice to meet you. Today I will introduce the intelligent rubber mixing production line factory to you. Our factory consists of two areas with the straight line distance about 200 meters. One area is for making the rubber products, and this area is designed for two lines of intelligent rubber mixing production. Now, one production line is under processing, and the second production line will be put into operation in next 2 years. Behind me is the workshop, and next to the workshop is a big storage tank. It is for keeping storage the heavy calcium powder, which will feed into the upper tandem internal mixer through a suction tube. And the capacity is about 300 tons. Okay, now follow me. Let's show you more details. After nearly 1 year's installation, commissioning, and show production, the intelligent rubber mixing production line recently passed the inspection and was handed over and put into operation in our factory, marking that this technology has been proved successfully applied in rubber sheet industry. The raw materials in a proper proportion, such as calcium powder, carbon black, and sulfur, are continuously fed by tube, pumped into the top upper tandem internal mixer. Now the workers are adding the materials. And now we are on the fourth floor. As you can see, this is a spare space which left for building the second production line, and behind me is the finished production line. Okay, follow me. And now we have 2 running production lines, and each production line have 5 storage tanks. The powders, through high pressure, are pumped into the storage tanks. And each tank stores 1 canned powder material. Each tank has its own number, and the material in the tank will down to the next floor and mix together. And now we are on the 3rd floor, and these are our 2 internal mixers. The carbon black, calcium powder, and sulfur will weigh cumulatively and fall into the internal mixer in the 2nd floor. And this is weight. The weight can be aggregated within 0.5%. And now we are on the 2nd floor. We also have 2 running production lines. It is controlled by computer system and with very precise. The reclaimed rubber and oil are fed into the internal mixer by the conveyor belt. The reclaimed rubber materials are cut into pieces and mixed firstly. Then the powder materials will be poured into the mixer, and all materials repeat pressing and mixing. The whole process is highly automated and integrated. The cooling and output process is on the 1st floor. When the fumes comes out, they will go through the liquid parting agent for the first step coat, and then repeatedly coat through the 3 rows. After cooling down, the rubber film will be sent to the producing factory to be pressed the 2nd time and perfectly meets the dimensional requirement for vulcanized the rubber sheet. This technology has 3 advantages. First, mixing pressure much higher than traditional mixing machines. Second, mixing intensive and all materials with accurate weight. The third, slice the rubber output higher than we can use to make rubber products at once. This technology, intelligent rubber mixing technology, that has been proven to meet the development demand of the rubber products industry for environmental protection, safety, efficiency, energy saving, and smartness. Our factory is the first and the only one who used this technical and put forward the technical skill in North China. This technology has attracted a lot of attention from the users of rubber products. We are quite open and welcome both customer and industry insider to visit us, so as to upgrade the production of rubber products by building more intelligent rubber mixing production lines. Okay, the above is our content today. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions about our factory, please feel free to contact us.